Ganesh. Hello students, welcome to my English class, class 10, chapter 6. Festivals of Northeast India. This is the part 2. In the last class, in part 1, we have already discussed about the northeastern states. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura and Sikkim. And we have also discussed about the festivals of Assam. Today we shall discuss about the festivals of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Tripura one by one. Discuss, you read the paragraph 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Festivals of Northeast India. Lying further north in the mountain region of the Himalayas, Arunachal Pradesh is one of India's most remote and picturesque locations with lush green paddy fields and pine-clad mountains. Nature has provided the people of this region with a deep feeling of beauty which can be seen in their festivals, songs and dances. The paragraph of 5 is about Arunachal Pradesh. Location, its beauty and its natural beauty. Arunachal Pradesh is lay further north in the mountain region of Himalayas, and it is the India's most remote, means distance and picturesque location, means a place of natural beauty with lush green paddy fields and pine clad mountains, means mountains filled with pine trees. The natural beauty has provided the people of Arunachal Pradesh with a deep feeling of beauty and which is reflected in their festivities, songs and dances. Let us discuss the paragraph 6. The New Year festival Lusar is perhaps the most important festival in certain areas of in Arunachal Pradesh. We know the most important festival of Arunachal Pradesh is Losar festival. This is the New Year festival. On this occasion, people clean their homes and discard the old to bring the new year. Mopin is the harvest festival of a Galo tribe. People worship goddess Mopin to drive away evil spirits and for acquiring prosperity and wealth. You see, so two important festival. One is Losal festival, that is the New Year festival of Arunachal Pradesh, and in this festival they clean their houses, discard the old things and for new year. And Mopin is another festival, that is the harvest festival usually celebrated by Galo tribe in Arunachal Pradesh. People worship goddess Mopin. Why? To drive away evil spirits and for acquiring prosperity and wealth. An indigenous folk dance called Popir is performed by the young women there. Another important festival of Arunachal Pradesh is an icon outdoor musical festival of Arunachal Pradesh. It is the Zero Festival of Music held at Zero in September every year. The music congregation features a combination of 30 indie bands from across the world and top folk acts from across northern East India. Okay, you see, we have already discussed in the two paragraphs, paragraph 5 and 6 about Arunachal Pradesh. And Arunachal Pradesh, you see, this is the Losar dance, a Losar festival, and Losar festival is the New Year festival. The people of Arunachal Pradesh clean their houses, discard the old things for New Year. And another festival is the Mopin festival. It is observed by a Galo tribe. Okay, and this is the harvest festival. They worship Mopin. Why? To drive away the evil spirit and to get prosperity and wealth. And a popular dance is performed here. And another important festival is the Zero Music Festival of Arunachal Pradesh. The name is because of the place. The place name is Zero. So the festival is Zero Music Festival. This is an important festival. This is iconic outdoor festival at Zero in September. Okay, and a musical congregation of about 30 rock bands or indie bands and top folk dance and acts from across the northeast India come together. So it is very famous. So we have already discussed. Let us discuss, come to the discuss about the festival of Manipur. You see, Manipur is let us discuss the paragraph 7. A charming festival of Manipur is Ningol Chakoba, binds and revives the relationships between married girls and their parents. The women and their children are given a sumptuous feast and gifts. Another festival of Manipur is Chereba. Chereba, the Manipur New Year festival in April. People clean and decorate their houses and prepare special festive dishes. As a part of the ritual, the villagers climb the northeast nearest hilltops, for they believe that this will help them rise to a higher plane in their life. Okay, so we are discussing about the Manipur. You see Manipur, the map of Manipur, and in Manipur we have discussed two important festivals. One is Ningol Chakoba, and that is the festival of important festival to bind their relations. And there is Ningol Chakoba festival of Manipur is to revive the relationship between the married girls and their parents. And married girls and their children were given a sumptuous feast and also gifts. And that is called Ningol Chakoba in Manipur. Okay. Another important festival is the Cherry Wow festival of Manipur. You see, this is the New Year festival of Manipur, and this is celebrated in April. They clean their houses, decorate their houses, and prepare special festive dishes. You see, these are the dishes, festive dishes. And they do have the belief, so they climb the nearest mountain top or hilltop because they believe that that will help them to rise a higher place in their life. Okay, so let us discuss about the festivals of Mizoram. Okay, you see, let us discuss about the festival, that is the paragraph 8. The Spring Festival or Chapchar Kut is an important occasion mostly celebrated in Mizoram. Men and women of all ages wearing traditional dresses and headgear perform folk dances and sing traditional songs on this occasion. Drums, gongs, and cymbals add to the festive air. You see, we are going to discuss about the festival of Mizoram. Okay, you see the map of Mizoram, and we know the capital is Aizawl, and you see that is the important festival of Mizoram is Chapchar Kut. Chapchar Kut is the important festival of Mizoram, which is celebrated in March in spring, and they wear the traditional dress and they perform the folk dances and sing the traditional songs, and they use mostly traditional dress and headgears, and the musical instruments are used they are used in their Chapchurkut festival. There are drums, gongs, and cymbals. So let us discuss about the festivals of Meghalaya. You know, the Meghalaya is another state of northeastern states. You see Meghalaya, that is the paragraph 9. Wangala, or the 100 Drum Festival, is the most important festival celebrated by the Garoj in the villages of Meghalaya. The festival is named so because 100 drums are beaten together during the celebration. This we are reading paragraph 9 about the festival of Meghalaya. The harvest festival is celebrated in November to mark the end of the hard work which naturally brings a good harvest. The celebration features beating of drums, blowing horns, and traditional dancing. The dance during the festival has two parallel lines, one of men and the other women, and clad in their festive costumes. While the men beat the drums, the lines move forward together in a rhythmic manner. So the paragraph 9 is about the festival of Meghalaya. You know, Meghalaya is another northeast Indian state. Okay. This is, you see the map of Meghalaya, and this is Wangla festival. This is the map of Meghalaya. Okay, and Meghalaya state, northeastern state, and this is the Wangla festival, which is famous, the most important. And Wangla festival is celebrated by Geros in the villages of Meghalaya, and it is usually celebrated in November. And the other name of this festival, Wangla, is 100 Drum Festival. Why? Why? Because 100 drums are beaten at a time in this festival. And this festival is to mark the end of hard work, and this is a harvest festival, and 100 drums are beaten and they blow horns and dance as performed, and two parallel lines are there, one parallel for men and another for women. The men are to beat drums and the women are to dance. That is the Wangla dance of Meghalaya. So let us discuss about the dance forms and festivals of Tripura. You see, let us read the paragraph 10 and 11. Paragraph 10 and 11, two paragraphs. Paragraph 10 and 11 are about the festivals of Tripura. Karachi Puja of Tripura is a week-long festival marked by animal sacrifice and worshipping 14 gods as instructed by Lord Shiva. The festival takes place in the month of July in Old Agartala or Purana Haveli, where there is a temple that houses of 14 deities. Thousands of people throng the Tripura during the festival and enjoy cultural programs and fairs. Okay, the main features of festivals in Tripura is that all the people join in the celebrations. Many of the dances performed during some of the festivals represent hunting, food gathering, and various other activities. So the paragraph 5, 11, 10 and 11 are about the festivals of Tripura. We know Tripura is another state, northeastern state, and we are to discuss about the festivals of Tripura. You see, this is Tripura, and you see the festival. The most important festival of Tripura is Karachi Puja. Okay, this is centuries old Karachi Puja begins in Tripura. Okay, in Karachi Puja, it is celebrated in July in Tripura. This is a week-long festival, and this festival is to mark the animal sacrifice and worshipping 14 gods are there here as instructed by Lord Shiva. And it is celebrated in Old Agratala, the capital of Tripura or the Purana Valley. And besides this, all cultural programs and fairs are organized. People from different places gather there. Where? In the old Agratala to see the festive of Karachi Puja. Means the worshipping of 14 gods. Okay. And many of the dances performed during some of the festivals represent their hunting, food gathering, and various other activities. And thousands of people gather there to enjoy the cultural program and festivals. So, we have already discussed today the festivals of Arunachal Pradesh and first Arunachal Pradesh, then Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, and Tripura. Okay, I think you read the text again and again so then you can understand and memorize. Let us do some activities. Short questions, objective questions will come in the board exams and you will get such type of questions and you have to answer. Activity 1. Objective questions with the answers. Answer the following questions in a sentence. Where is Arunachal Pradesh? Arunachal Pradesh lies further north in the mountain regions of the Himalayas. What are the famous three festivals of Arunachal Pradesh? The three famous festivals of Arunachal Pradesh are Losar, Mopin and Zero Festival of music. Okay. And which festival in Manipur establishes a family bond? Ningol Chakoba festival in Manipur establishes a family bond. The married daughters and the children are given a sumptuous feast and gifts also. Question number 4. What do the people of Manipur do during the celebration of Sereuba? During the celebration of Sereuba, the people of Manipur clean their houses, decorate their houses, and prepare special festive dishes. Okay. And question number 5. Which festival is popular in Mizoram as a spring festival? Chapchar Kut. Chapchar Kut is popular in Mizoram as a spring festival. What do the people of Mizoram celebrate? Chapchar Kut. The people of Mizoram celebrate Chapchar Kut by wearing traditional dresses, headgear, and performing folk dances and singing traditional songs. You see. Question number 7. Where is Wangla celebrated? Wangla is celebrated in the villages of Meghalaya. What do the Wangla festival mark? The Wangla festival marked, you see, Wangla is a harvest festival in Meghalaya. Okay, it marks the end of hard work, which naturally brings a good harvest. How do the people of Tripura celebrate Karachi Puja? The people of Tripura celebrate Karachi Puja by performing animal sacrifices and worshipping 14 gods as instructed by Lord Shiva. in July in Old Agartala or Puran Haveli. Okay. The question, you see the question number 10. What do the dances during festivals in Tripura showcase? The dances during festivals in Tripura showcase the hunting, food gathering, and various other activities of their people. Okay, let us do activity 2. Objective questions with answers. Fill the blanks with the suitable words. Dash is the New Year festival of Arunachal Pradesh. You know, Losar is the New Year festival of Arunachal Pradesh. 30 indie bands join the dash in Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 2. 30 indie bands join the Zero Festival in Arunachal Pradesh. A peer dance is performed on the occasion of a Mopin festival. A peer dance is performed on the occasion of a Mopin festival. During Ningol Jacoba, the married daughters and their children are given a sumptuous feast and gifts. That is the New Year festival of Manipur. Cherouba. Cherouba is the New Year festival in Manipur. Chapchur Kud is popular in Mizoram as a spring festival. Wangla is the 100 drum festival. The Geros observe Wangla in Meghalaya. The Geros observe Wangla in Meghalaya. You see, Karachi Puja is a week-long festival of Tripura. Karachi Puja is a week-long festival of Tripura. Karachi Puja of Tripura takes place in the month of July in Old Agartala. Okay, we have already discussed. You should read, you should attend the third part of this text. So then you can have a complete knowledge about the festivals of Northeast India. I read it again, the text again and watch the video again and again, so that you shall have a good idea. Thank you. Best of luck.